So last but most definitely not least, please welcome to the stage Chris Binder from uControl. Over to you, Chris.
Hello everyone, my name's Chris Pinder. I'm the founder and managing director of a company called HD Anywhere, referred to as HDA, and I'm here to talk about a spin-out project of ours called uControl. So we're not a startup like you might expect on a tech accelerator, but we're in startup mode with this project. It's a completely new pivot to a different product category for us. Our core product category is AV connectivity, which is essentially HDMI cables and boxes that send signals to screens, much like you see here. And we've been doing that for 17 years. In fact, my wife over there and my good friend Dylan, we started the business together after university, like Elliot said, and we ended up here in Malvern. And we're very lucky to have 20 international distributors selling our products all over the world, winning awards, 4 patents, and 9 employees on Spring Lane Industrial Estate, not too far from here. So I'm here to talk about uControl and why is a company that made cables originally so interested in control. And that's because a lot of our systems were going into projects in premises like this, big homes, big venues with lots of screens, or in hotels and posh hotel rooms basically. And all of these places needed some form of control, some form of device that would allow the property owner to manage a large array of screens, of speakers, and nowadays of smart lighting, smart heating, maybe smart blinds. Everything's smart. There's so many devices, and we need an unintimidating way to control that. And most of the brands in this space are American. And we thought, let's have a go. Let's see if we can make our own. And we did. And we were very lucky to have a real world application to show you. So we were actually approached by the Lanesborough Hotel, a very posh hotel, in Hyde Park Corner in London to solve a problem for them, which is a great example of what we can do with uControl. And this was their problem. They're a very expensive hotel, upwards of £1,000 a night per room. And there was the remote control selection that was greeting the guests upon entry to the room. So they said, can you consolidate these NAF remotes into something more premium, something more high-end to match the aesthetic of the hotel? And we did one. Not this orange, this is a BetaDen orange, and it'll help you see it from the back. But yeah, so we actually made them a remote in a custom color, and we were able to laser engrave the Lanesborough on the bottom. And we were also able to produce an app for them to make managing technology in that room very, very easy. So regardless of the guest and how tech savvy they are, they should be able to pick up the remote and know exactly how to control the room. Here's 3 Malvern Council taxpayers. You'll be pleased to know. Working away at our offices in Malvern, and we're very proud that we are a contributor to the local economy. We employ local people, and we also have an apprentice there at the end, Josh. So we fully get involved in all these schemes, and we're very proud of our Malvern, well, I'm going to say heritage, civic pride. The remote comes in 2 flavors. We've got the entry-level flavor, which is made of plastic, and we have a hotel edition where we're able to custom colors. This is with a metal front fascia. It's milled from aluminium by a company called Inline Engineering, also on Spring Lane Industrial Estate. And as you can see, to tie in with the Battersea Power Station earlier, we can laser engrave on the bottom there. So it gives you an example of how we can produce a custom design for different applications. Why we're here, we're constantly innovating, we're constantly trying to improve the product, and we've had some feedback from our first batch of remotes that they could do with a slightly longer battery life. It's currently 3 days, but people don't put them back on the charge mat because they're wireless charging. They run out of battery, so they call in reception desk, my remote's not working. That's not good enough. So we've developed a new remote with a 1-month battery life, which uses Bluetooth Low Energy, and we have a working prototype, and we need some money to finish that project. We can charge a lot more for it, but we've already got good feedback that it's going to be a winner with hotels. So just to reinforce the ask, we're looking for capital to help fund a scaled up marketing strategy. We're looking to employ someone who works in the luxury hotel sector who can get us in front of some of these big brands. And we're also want to finish the remote that I spoke to you about earlier. I want to thank everyone at the BetaDen for trying their best to help me. Sometimes I'm quite difficult to work with, quite dismissive, but come the end of the course, I got a lot of value from people I didn't necessarily think I was going to. And so I think that's a big lesson for me personally. Yeah, QR codes, scan that and you'll get some more information. We've got a great demo out there. Come and have a look at it, come and have a go. And yeah, thanks everyone. That's uControl.